So I know you want a barn door, but your space is like 5 feet wide and you only have 3 feet off to the side. So we have a perfect solution for you. It's a bypass barn door hardware system. And what this does is it allows you to have 2 doors filling that space, but they overlap each other and can slide independent of each other. This is a bypass barn door hardware bracket. And this just mounts to the wall and allows you some adjustability to have your 2 doors sliding independently of each other, and they can stack off to the side of your opening. Now, if you have solid doors, then you're gonna want to upgrade to the heavyweight bypass bracket. This one has gusseting and is built a lot stronger to be able to handle the weight of 2 doors from one system without bowing or jeopardizing the integrity of the system. So this is going to add that soul that you need to your space. And the whole bypass barn door hardware system is made right here in Springville, Utah, just down the road from our showroom. And every component is designed and cut and bent, powder coated finish to last you a lifetime. So go on to rustica.com and check out our bypass barn door hardware systems and also the beautiful options for barn doors that will add that perfect soul to your living space.